Hi guys, welcome back. We're on question number 5 on our 8-5 notes. We're factoring basic trinomials where the front term is 1. That front term is called the A term. That front coefficient, excuse me. Okay, so let's keep going. We notice this time that we don't have both positives. I wonder how that's going to affect things. Well, we're going to see right now. Let's go. So we have a little m over the last number. I'm thinking of all the things that multiply to give me 54. Well, we have 1 and 54. We have 2 and 27. We have 3 and 18. And we have 6 and 9. I'm looking at those factors and asking myself, which ones add to give me 15. 15. Well, these would add to give me 55, so that's not it. These would add to give me 29, not it. These would add to give me 21, not it. These would add to give me a positive 15. Positive 15 is not what I want. So let's check this. What if they were both negative? Well, negative 6 times a negative 9 would give me a positive 54 at the end. And negative 6 and 9 more negatives would give me the negative 15 that I want for the middle term. So let's check that. Let's set up our parentheses. We have r times r is r squared. We know it's going to be 6 and 9, or 9 and 6, doesn't matter the order. And I'm saying that they're both going to be negative. Obviously, we need to check our answer. So r times r is r squared, check. Negative 6 times negative 9 is positive 54, check. And let's check our middle terms. Voila, we got it. So it looks like our final answer will have a double negative. Let's see if that pattern continues, because question number 6 is also a negative first and then a positive. Negative first and then a positive in our original. Let's see. So I'm thinking of all the factors of 36. What are the factors of 36? Well, we have 1 and 36. We have 2 and 18. We have 3 and 12. And we have, what else do we have? 4 and 9. And we have, 6 and 6. Wow, lots of factors of 36. Which one of those sets of factors adds to give me that negative 13 in the middle? Well, these add to give me 37, not it. These add to give me 20, not it. These add to give me 15, not it. These add to give me 13. We found it. But it's going to give me a positive 13 if I added 4 and 9. So these must both be negative. Let's check. B times B is my b squared in the front. We know it's going to be 4 and 9, or 9 and 4, doesn't matter the order. And we're going to say they're both double negative. Well, let's give it a try. B times B is b squared, check. Negative 4 times negative 9 is positive 36, check. Let's check our middle terms. I'm just multiplying them out here. And that checks. This is my final answer. And they are both negative again. My answer here was both negative, and that's both negative here. That's interesting. Okay, let's try 7 and 8. They are of the same form. Same strategy. So again, we're continuing with our 8-5 notes. Let's list the factors of 30. So we have 1 and 30. We have 2 and 15. We have 3 and 10. And we have 5 and 6. Cool. Which one of those two factors adds to give me an 11, but not just any 11, a negative 11. Those would add to give me 31. Those add to give me 17. Those add to give me 13. These add to give me 11. We found it. And they both have to be negative. So let's go ahead. And all of this is the work I want to see. So x multiplies to give me the x squared in the front. 5 and 6 multiply to give me the 30 in the back. and they both have to be negative in order for it to work. This factor can be first, this one can be second. So there's your final answer. Great. And number 8. Let's check it out. I'm going to list my factors of 72. So it's 1 and 72, 2 and 36, 3 and 24, but you didn't think of that one, right? 4 and 18, 6 and 12, and 8 and 9. Shenanigans. 72 is a difficult one. That's why this thing is your friend. Print it out, use it, or at least use it as a reference. Okay, so here we go. We're looking for the factors of 72. Listed them. Which one of those groups adds to give me 17? Nope. That's 38. Nope. That's 27. Nope. That's 22. Nope. That's 18. Big ol' nope. And we have it. But they both have to be negative, because -8 plus an additional -9 would give me a -17, which is what we're looking for. Let's go. So it's n times n, -8 and -9. You could put the -9 first and then the -8 if you wanted. Then you could multiply it out and check your answer if you wanted, but there's your final answer. And notice, I'm looking for this work, I'm looking for this kind of work here, and I'm looking for the answer to be nice and obvious. Thank you so much. Go to the next part of the video to do 9, 10, 11, and 12. Thanks.